welcome to a new day. Welcome to Sana. Hi my love, welcome to a new vlog. If you are new here, my name is Busi. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to another vlog, guys. In this vlog we won't be doing much. I look like I'm a coty, I know. Well, I was just chilling in the house doing nothing much, but in this vlog I'll be doing a maintenance vlog, just to finish off because I've already done my nails. I'm just on my hands, so I'm just gonna do my toes and then do my lashes. I'm gonna do them myself, and yeah, just enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you shortly.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. I'm a dog, I'm a money. I just smoke already so hard in my blunt. I see guys pretty faces so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be bold, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. I'm a dog, I'm a money. No crib talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pants size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had the poppers from the Ricky, ain't the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be bold, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog.
She in her mood, like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini roaring when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Huh?